Every sixth person sees the world differently, not because of color blindness, but due to a condition called cataract. And today, you'll learn about a powerful drink that can help protect your eyes from it. Let's dive right in. Your eye lens is like a natural camera filter. It lets light in and focuses your vision. But with age, that lens can become cloudy, making colors fade and the world appear foggy. Eventually, if ignored, cataracts can lead to blindness. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally by boosting antioxidants in your body. One of the best ways? Drinking the right nutrients. Try this simple vision-supporting drink. Mix fresh carrot juice with 2 raw egg yolks. Pasture-raised is best. This combo is packed with carotenoids, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for a healthy, clear lens. Want to go further? Add berries like blueberries, blackcurrants, or elderberries into a smoothie. These are rich in anthocyanins, which strengthen the retina and sharpen your sight. Your lens health isn't just about age, it's about action. Start with what you drink. Like the tip? Hit subscribe for more natural ways to protect your vision and overall health.